Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Somebody has broken into the house, and I don't know who it is. Mom, Dad, I just wanted to leave you this message. Why did you always love my sister better than me? That's so wrong. Oh my God, who's there? Who's there? Who is it? Ah, take that, bad guy. Oh, right in the balls, you dumb fucker. Oh, right there, you sleazy creep. You sorry piece of... What? What? Santa? Oh my God, Santa? Santa, are you all right? Oh my God. Santa. Santa, say something. Santa, are you all right? What? 911? Oh, let's not get them involved. Santa? Santa! Oh my God, that's really gonna mess up the carpet. Oh my God. Santa? Oh, shit. Where's my shovel? www.myspace.com/Elizabeth City. Add me. www.cafepress.com/Elizabeth City. Buy me. And by the way, don't tell anybody this happened. This is just between me and you, okay? Alrighty.